Look what I found.
What did you find?
I found this old box.
An old box? Where?
It was in the attic.
The attic is very dusty.
Yes, this box is very dusty too.
Can I see it?
Sure. Here it is.
Wow, it looks very old.
I think it is very, very old.
What is it made of?
It feels like wood.
Yes, it looks like dark wood.
It has some metal parts,
The metal is rusty.
and the wood is scratched.
Is there anything inside?
I don't know yet.
Is it heavy?
A little bit, not too heavy.
Can we open it?
I want to open it.
Is there a lock?
Yes, look. A small, old lock.
Do we have a key?
No, I did not find a key.
Oh, how can we open it then?
Maybe it is not locked.
Try to lift the lid.
Okay, I will try.
Be careful with it.
It is stuck.
Push it a little.
I am pushing. It's not moving.
Maybe we can slide something thin.
Good idea. Do you have a ruler?
No, I don't have a ruler here.
What about a thin piece of card?
Let me check my bag.
Okay, I will wait.
I found a plastic card.
Will that work?
Maybe. Let's try to slide it near the lock.
Be gentle. We don't want to break the box.
I am being very gentle.
Is it working?
I think the lock is really closed.
That is a problem.
What if we look for a tiny key?
Where would a tiny key be?
Maybe near the box in the attic?
I looked, but I did not see one.
This is a puzzle.
I really want to see inside.
Me too. It is exciting.
What if the lock is just stuck, not locked?
It could be. It's very old.
Let me try to wiggle the lid a bit.
Okay, wiggle it slowly.
I am wiggling it.
Do you hear any sound?
A little click.
A click? Try to lift it now.
Okay, I am lifting.
Is it opening?
Yes, it's opening.
Oh, wonderful.
Look inside.
Wow, what is in there?
It is dark inside.
Let's take things out carefully.
What do you see first?
I see something small and shiny.
Shiny? Let me see.
Here, I will pick it up.
What is it?
It looks like a small, strange key.
A key? But we just opened the box.
This key is very small and very old.
It does not look like a door key.
No, it is a different shape.
Look at the design on it.
It has little swirls.
And it is made of dark metal.
Maybe this key opens something else.
Something else hidden?
Perhaps. Put the key here on the table.
Okay. What else is in the box?
There is some fabric.
What color is the fabric?
It looks like dark red velvet.
Is it old too?
Yes, very old and a bit faded.
Is there something under the fabric?
Let me move the fabric.
Gently, gently.
Yes. Oh, look.
What is it now?
It's a little rolled up paper.
Paper or parchment?
It feels like old parchment. It is tied with a string.
Can we untie the string?
Yes, the string is very old and dry.
Be careful it does not break.
I am untying it. Very slowly.
Is it open?
Yes, the string is off.
Now, unroll the parchment.
Okay. It is very delicate.
What does it show?
There are strange symbols on it.
Symbols, not words?
No, not words I know.
Are there any drawings?
Yes, there is a small drawing in the corner.
What is the drawing of?
It looks like a tree and maybe a star.
A tree and a star? That is interesting.
And these symbols, I have never seen them.
Could it be a map?
A map to what?
I don't know. A secret place?
Maybe. This is getting more exciting.
Put the parchment next to the key.
Okay. Is there more in the box?
Let me look. Yes, there is something else.
What does it feel like?
It feels round and flat and cool.
Take it out. Let's see.
Here it is.
It's like a coin.
But it's not like our money.
No, it's very different. It's thick.
What is on the coin?
There is a picture of a bird on one side.
What kind of bird?
I am not sure. A strange bird with big wings.
And on the other side?
More strange symbols, like on the parchment.
So the key, the parchment map, and this coin.
They all seem connected.
I think so too. This is a real mystery.
Is the box empty now?
Let me check carefully.
Feel in the corners.
Yes, I am feeling. Wait,
Did you find something?
there is one more thing.
Oh, what is it?
It is small and smooth.
What color is it?
It's dark, like a stone.
A stone? Is it special?
I think so. Let me take it out.
Be careful.
Here, look at this.
It is a dark, polished stone.
Hold it. Does it feel warm?
No, it feels cool. But it is very smooth.
Look closely at it in the light.
Does it glow a little?
I thought so too. A very faint glow.
Wow, a stone that glows?
Just a little bit. It's very subtle.
This is the strangest thing in the box.
A glowing stone, an old coin, a map with symbols, and a tiny key.
What does it all mean?
I have no idea at all.
Who did this box belong to?
Someone from a long, long time ago.
Someone who liked secrets.
And mysteries, for sure.
What should we do with these things?
We should keep them safe.
Definitely. And we should try to find out more.
How can we find out more?
Maybe we can look for information about the symbols.
In the library? Or on the internet?
The internet might have something about old symbols.
That's a good idea. We can search for strange symbols on parchment.
Or old coin with bird.
And what about the key?
That key is a big puzzle. What could it open?
It is too small for a door.
Maybe it opens another box? A smaller hidden box?
Ooh, that would be amazing.
Like a treasure hunt.
This feels like a treasure hunt already.
It does. I am so curious.
Me too. I can't stop thinking about it.
We should not tell anyone yet.
No, let's keep it our secret for now.
Our secret adventure.
I like that. Our secret adventure.
So first step, try to research the symbols.
Yes. And look closely at the map again.
Maybe the tree and the star are clues.
They must be clues.
And the glowing stone. What is its purpose?
I don't know, maybe it helps to read the map?
Or maybe it shows the way?
That is a cool idea.
We need to be very careful with these items.
Yes, they are precious.
And very mysterious.
I will put them back in the box for now.
Good idea. And we can hide the box.
Where can we hide it safely?
Under your bed? Or in your closet?
My closet is better. Behind some old clothes.
Perfect. No one will find it there.
This is the most exciting thing that has happened.
I agree. I wonder what we will discover.
We will discover it together.
Yes, together. Partners in mystery.
I like being partners in mystery.
Let's look at the parchment one more time before you hide it.
Okay. Unroll it carefully.
Look at these lines. Do they look like paths?
They could be paths or rivers. And this big symbol here, what could it be?
It looks a bit like an eye.
An eye? That is a bit spooky.
Or maybe it means, look here.
That is possible.
And the coin, Is the bird a specific type of bird?
We should try to identify it,
Maybe it is a mythical bird.
like a phoenix or a griffin.
Yes! That would be so cool.
This is better than any storybook.
Because it is real.
It is our real mystery.
I can't wait to start researching.
Me neither. Let's begin tomorrow.
Agreed. Tomorrow, our investigation starts.
I will keep the box very safe tonight.
I know you will. This is amazing.
It really is. I wonder what secrets it holds.
We will find out. Step by step.
Yes. Step by step.
I feel like a detective.
Me too. Detective Alex and Detective Lila.
Well, Detective Asterisk and Detective Plus.
Haha, yes. That's right.
This will be fun.
And a little bit challenging.
But we can do it.
I believe we can.
Okay? Hide the box now.
I will. And dream about mysteries tonight.
Me too. Sweet dreams of adventure.
You too. See you tomorrow.
See you.